10th Samachir Max, exercise 3.7, first sum. Find square root of 400 x power 4 y power 12 z power 16 divided by 100 x power 8 y power 4 z power 4. You are finding the square root means, 400 means 20 into 20 will give you 400. So, square root of 20 into 20 x power 4 y power 12 z power 16 divided by 100 can be written as 10 into 10 x power 8 y power 4 z power 4. It is equal to square root. If you take means you will get half of it. 20 into 20 square root is 20. 100 into 10 into 10 square root is 10. So you will write 10, 20, half of each and every power. Already you have seen in your previous exercises. X power 4 can square root is x square. Y power 12 square root is y power 6. Half of it. Each you will be writing half of the powers. So x square y power 6 z power 8 divided by 10 x power 4 y square z square. Now you can cancel the powers. 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 this x power 4 cancels means you will get by x power 4. So here 2 and 6 cancels means you will get y power 4 z power 8 minus 2, that is powers means you will subtract the powers. 8 minus 2 will give you 6 divided by x power 4 minus 2, so it is x square. So this is your answer. Second sum, second subdivision, that is square root of 7x square plus 2 root power 14x plus 2 divided by x square minus half x plus 1 by 16. So first thing you have to factorize the numerator. So 7 2s are 14. Down you have to get 2 root 14. So this can be written as root 14 into root 14. Only then you will get root 14 into root 14 is 14. Add means as coefficients only. 1 root 14 will give you 2 root 14. So now root 14 can be written as root 7 into root 2. So I am writing here like this. So you factorize here separately and then you can write the answer. So 7x square plus 2 root 14x plus 2. It can be written as root 7 into root 7. You are separating this. 7 can be split and written as root 7 into root 7 plus 2 into root 7 into 2 x plus 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Like this you write. Then you have found the factorizing. You have found the factors. Now instead of this you will write like this. So you will write root 7 into root 7 plus root 7 into 2x plus root 7 into 2x, that is root 14 I am writing as 7 into 2. I am factorizing this. I am writing it this instead of writing this as a single term, I am writing as a 2 terms plus root 2 into root 2. So now you see the common for this. Here root 7 is common in both. Here you have root 7 into root 7. Here you have root 7 into 2. I am taking out root 7 out means root 7 x square. So I am taking out root 7x. So you will have another root 7, you will have root 7, another x you will have plus root 7 is taken out. So you will have only root 2. So root 2 plus for the next term, here you have root 2, here you have root 2. Root 2 is common. So I am taking out root 2 as common and you will get root 7 x plus 1 root 2 is taken out, so you will have another root 2. So you have here root 7 plus root 7x plus 2 root 7 plus root 2. So this is common. I am taking out 7 root 7x plus root 2 into root 7x plus root 2. So again root 7x plus root 2. So now same way here also this you will factorize. So I am writing here as root 7x plus root 2 into root 7x plus root 2 divided by, you come for this denominator. This can be written as x minus 1 by 4 into x minus 1 by 4. That is, I will show you how we are getting this. This can be written as factorizing 1 by 16. So 1 by 16 on the top, down you will write minus 1 by 2. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 will give you 1 by 16. So 4 4s are 16. Now you want a negative sign. Only then you want here negative sign, so this both has to be negative. Only then if you multiply, minus into minus will become plus, and you subtract and see minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. If you subtract means minus 2 by 4, that is denominator is the same, add the numerators. So minus 2 by 4, you cancel means you will get minus 1 by 2. So you are getting minus 1 by 2. So only I am writing x minus 1 by 4 into x minus 1 by 4. Now if you take out the square root means one term alone you will write. Two terms you have the value means you will be writing only once. So your answer is root 7x plus root 2 divided by x minus 1 by 4. This is your answer. Okay.